Pedro. It's a rafting group. There's a cop. There's some beer over there. This is what you call manual labor.
Can you imagine pag ganun sa river, dude? Pagod ka, mainit na eh. All you want to do is just jump in the water. Luke, are you giving up?
Close, man. Not giving up, though. Army, come on.
Go on. Lipat. Ha? Hold on.
Alright. Lipat?
Yeah. Hindi na tayo manual labor. Anong araw eh.
Yan ang dati yung raft namin dati. We pump our own. Compress ka para ron tagal.
Oh yeah. So what are we doing?
Drop
Relax
it here, get in another one.
Okay.
Get out there, guys. We're putting this on top of you guys.
No, they can.
You say get in another one.
Okay.
Hey, where's the action tapes? They're in the store.
No, we can't leave them. They're too young to be left by themselves.
What do you guys say? You going to carry it by myself?
No, I'll watch him and I'll unload the car.
Where are you at?
Right there.
Where are you going
The
to
van?
That van.
Why don't you back up into the shade?
Yeah, that's why we parked the boats right here, because it's shady. And
Okay.
I'll put the van
All
right
right.
there. Okay, Luke, make sure Nico is out of the way.
Yeah, because they're too young to be left by themselves. Yeah.
Camera with the telephoto lens, man. You're gonna see a lot of titties here today.
Well, shit, no, I don't.
You brought your camera?
No way, man. It's gonna get wet. Fuck all
I
that.
brought mine.
Oh, you did?
But I'm going to put it inside a plastic.
Say it up. Is that on right now?
Yeah, we're just videotaping for prosperity.
Yeah, man. We are gonna see a lot of titties today.
I don't know about that. I'm looking at eyes. Just like the other day with Third.
Dry eyes.
No, we were at the fight. He goes, look at those cellulite on those girls. I'm like, I don't know about you, but I'm looking at their eyes.
Look at all those titties, bro. Titties! Titties! Look at all that. Mata.
Huwag na yung bata.
No, I meant, you know.
Makukulong tayo na.
That's not what I
Hindi
meant.
natin kailangan yan.
That's not what I meant.
Say Uncle Nick. Hi, Uncle Nick.
Hey,
Say hi, Uncle Nick.
Oh, wait a minute. Huwag kami won't.
Say hi, Uncle Nick.
Hi, Nico.
He's got almost like the same as your name. His name is Nick, and your name is
I
Nick.
see.
Throw you away.
That's Luke.
Oh, like a horse.
Have him back. Let's move the rafts like some. Get off there. So that he can back up into the shade.
Oh, you will? Get off, Nico. Nico, we're going to move the raft a little bit. Come on.
So he can back up here.
Come on, young man.
Come on.
Hold your cousin, please.
1, 2, 3, up. Up. Pick that up. Up. No, man. Good.
Nico,
Okay.
this will
There you go.
crush you.
Get up here.
Should have turned it around the other way around.
All right, we'll get the other one.
Okay, let's go get the other one. He's back here.
Luke, watch your cousin, okay?
Yeah, we're gonna go get the other one. American River. So they say. Used to be an Indian river.
It was. Back in the day, it was an Indian river. Not anymore.
Okay, gimmick natin
This is trip, no? Huh?
Oh, trip lang. Puta, nature trip. Dito wala ko. I'm a Boy Scout at heart.
Tawag ka doon. Tangina, ba't ka? Di ba, pwede nyo habang